has to be worth it. Sino dito, medyo gustong mamayat, sumeksi, or gumanda yung katawan? You have to make sure that it's worth it for you. Diba? Sorry mga lalaki. Alam mo yung umiihi ka, hindi mo na makita, hindi pa ba motivation yun? Like, it's even hard to tie your shoe. Yung pag may nalaglag, order na lang ako sa Shopee. Hindi mo mapulot. Bottom line, it has to be worth it for you. Because it's painful. Pain ang motivation. Understand that? Your motivation is your current situation. Yun ang magmo-motivate sa'yo, yung sitwasyon mo. The pain of regret and the pain of discipline. When it comes to regret, sana pala. Pain of discipline means, buti na lang. Pain of regret, nagsimula ka ng mag-diet, nagsimula ka ng mag-workout, hindi mo tinuloy, nag-backfire sa'yo, mas malaki ka ngayon. Tapos sinisi mo sa program, mali eh. Walang kinalaman yung gym doon. Narinig nyo na yan, pag nag-gym ka, tataba ka lalo. Hindi totoo yun. Takaw ka lang.